Hi kids, guess the animal's name. Let's go.
I have a long neck. I eat leaves from tall trees. And I live in Africa. What animal I am?
A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Zebra. The correct answer is B. Giraffe.
I'm black and white and love to eat bamboo. What animal I am?
A. Koala. B. Panda. C. Polar bear. The correct answer is B. Panda.
I live in the ocean, have 8 legs, and can squirt ink. What animal I am?
A. Starfish. B. Jellyfish. C. Octopus. The correct answer is C. Octopus.
I hop around with strong legs and carry my baby in a pouch. What animal I am?
A. Rabbit. B. Kangaroo. C. Deer. The correct answer is B. Kangaroo.
I'm small, colorful, and I can fly backward. What animal I am?
A. Butterfly. B. Hummingbird. C. Deer. The correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Thanks for watching guys, and subscribe now for more videos.